Investors brace for Fed pivot as BTC and ETH outflows contrast stablecoin surge. CryptoQuant. CryptoQuant. Federal Reserve. Stablecoin. Journalist. Tanzeel Akhtar. Journalist. Tanzeel Akhtar. About author. Tanzeel Akhtar is a seasoned journalist who has been reporting on cryptocurrency and blockchain technology since 2015. Her work has appeared in leading publications including The Wall Street Journal. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. September 16, 2025. Crypto markets are closely watching the U.S. Federal Reserve as speculation grows about a potential interest rate cut, reports CryptoQuant. On-chain data from CryptoQuant this week paints a mixed picture of investor sentiment, with liquidity signs diverging across major assets. While Bitcoin and Ethereum exchange inflows are sliding to multi-month lows, stablecoin deposits are climbing, suggesting traders are preparing dry powder for the possibility of a policy shift. Meanwhile, altcoin inflows are rising, hinting at either profit-taking or rotation into higher-risk tokens, reports CryptoQuant. Bitcoin inflows decline. Bitcoin exchange inflows have dropped to their lowest levels in more than a year. The 7-day moving average now stands at 25,000 BTC, down from 51,000 BTC recorded in July. At the same time, the average deposit size per transaction has halved, falling from 1.14 BTC in mid-July to just 0.57 BTC in September. CryptoQuant analysts say this indicates reduced selling pressure from larger holders, with long-term investors showing little desire to exit positions ahead of the Fed's decision. Ethereum tracks similar trend. Ethereum is mirroring Bitcoin's subdued exchange activity. ETH inflows have fallen to a 2-month low, with the 7-day average declining to 783,000 ETH, compared with 1.8 million ETH as recently as mid-August. Deposit sizes are also shrinking, with the average transaction dropping from 40 to 45 ETH at earlier peaks to around 30 ETH today. Taken together, the trend reflects muted sell-side activity, echoing Bitcoin's low inflows and reinforcing the view that investors are reluctant to liquidate major holdings before a possible macro shift. Stablecoin deposits surge. In contrast, stablecoins are showing a surge of inflows, particularly Tether, USDT. Net deposits reached $379 million on August 31st, the highest level year-to-date, before easing to around $200 million more recently. Even so, the daily average USDT deposit has more than doubled, from $63,000 in July to $130,000 today. This sharp uptick implies investors actively move liquidity onto exchanges, preparing to deploy capital quickly if a favorable Fed outcome sparks a rally. Altcoin activity picks up. Altcoins are bucking the broader slowdown in inflows. Transaction deposits across a basket of non-BTC and ETH tokens have risen to 55,000, 7-day total, compared with the flat 20,000 to 30,000 range seen in May and June. CryptoQuant analysts note that this increase could reflect heightened selling pressure as investors rotate out of riskier assets, or, conversely, growing speculative interest in higher beta tokens ahead of a potential macro catalyst. Outlook. The Fed's upcoming announcement is set to test these liquidity patterns. Reduced BTC and ETH inflows suggest conviction among long-term holders, while higher stablecoin deposits show a market eager to react quickly. Whether the shift favors blue-chip crypto assets or speculative altcoins will depend heavily on the Fed's next move. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, Picoin and Solana by the end of 2025. Why is crypto down today? September 15, 2025 Ethereum price prediction. Huge ETH outflow signals incoming supply squeeze. $10,000 ETH could be weeks away. Live Crypto News Today. Latest updates for September 15, 2025. Bitcoin stabilizes around $116,000, while altcoins see mixed action. Ethereum price prediction. Are bulls getting ready to push the ETH price higher? Price analysis. XRP price prediction. Coinbase supply collapses 90%. Is a $10 XRP super squeeze loading? 1 day ago. By Alejandro Arich. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. Why the October 18, 25 SEC deadlines could trigger a breakout. 3 days ago, by Arslan Butt. Price analysis. Google's Gemini AI predicts the price of XRP, Dogecoin and Cardano by the end of 2025. 5 days ago, by Tim Hackey. Best crypto to buy now in September 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 1 day ago, by Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in September 2025. Top new crypto coins. 9 hours ago, by Inesis Tavares. 11 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 1 day ago, by Alan Draper. 16 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in September 2025. 1 day ago, by Elijah Rankovich. 15 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 1 day ago, by Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? September 9, 2025, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. Just now, by Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. 5 days ago, by Ben Beto.